guys, welcome back to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the M1L, or make one left, increase. We're going to make that increase by picking up a horizontal loop lying before the next stitch from front to back and knitting into the back of the loop. So here is my horizontal bar. For those of you like me who never remember which is horizontal and which is vertical, horizontal is like the horizon. That's how I remembered. I've been remembering it that way since second grade. So you're going to pick that loop up and put it on the left-hand needle from front to back. So there's two different ways to do that. One is with the left-hand needle. Just pop it on up there. And then we're going to knit into the back of that stitch, and we're doing it, it's going to have its little legs crossed when it comes off, but it's to make sure that there's not a big gap. So you can see there is my extra stitch, and you can see his little legs are crossed. Let's try that one more time. Now, if I'm going to pick up this horizontal bar, and say the gauge is a little tighter or a little smaller, and I can't quite grab it with my left-hand needle, it is fair play to pick it up with the right-hand needle and pop it onto the left-hand needle. Just make sure that for the left, you've got that left-hand needle going in from front to back. So that is the same stitch I just made, except I used the right-hand needle to put it into place instead of the left-hand needle, and in either case you're going to knit that through the back loop. One more time for each of them. Feel free to use the left-hand needle, pop it onto the left-hand needle, knit through the back of the stitch. You might notice that I'm using my left index finger to hold that stitch in place because it's just the teensiest bit fiddly to get into. Or my gauge is tight, my needle's small, I can't get in there with the left needle without dropping a stitch. Go ahead and use that right hand needle to pick it up, pop it onto the left hand needle, knit through the back of the stitch. So that is the make one left, or M1L, increase. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Yarnspirations. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. We look forward to seeing you again real soon.